Welcome to this Pedagogy Premiere digital tip video.
Let's explore the gallery in Smart Notebook. The gallery can be accessed from the menu that either sits on the left-hand or right-hand side of Smart Notebook. You'll see the first menu item is a page. This is where we can view all of the pages we've got in our Smart Notebook. And the next is a picture. And this is how we find the gallery. You can explore the gallery in two ways. You can use the search bar on the top to search for specific items or a group of items, or you can explore the folders. You'll notice at the top there is a My Content folder. This is where you can add content from the library. Think of it as favoriting. Great for easy access if it's something that you use quite often. To explore the folders, you just simply click on and you'll notice that there's lots of folders nested within. So if we go into the English Language and Arts folder, you'll see there's various subfolders there. So if I was interested in looking at resources for the alphabet, I can click onto that folder and it will show me down here what we can access. So there's various pictures, and then there's interactive and multimedia as well. I prefer searching for items. I find it easier than searching through the gallery. So I'm doing a lesson about food, so I'm going to just simply type in food. In my search results, I can see related folders. I can see that there's pictures. There's some notebook files and pages I can use, and also some backgrounds and themes. Let's go into the pictures. I can simply scroll through and find one that's going to be suitable. And if I want to use any of those, I just simply click and drag across onto my Smart Notebook page. The blue box is around the item when it's selected, and using the grey circle I can resize the image. Using the green circle I can rotate, and then clicking on the little downward arrow I can access the menu. This is where I can access things like the infinite cloner and locking the item in place. If this item is something that I use quite a lot and I want to have easy access to, within the search results I can click on the menu and I can add it to my content. And what this will do is add it to the folder that's sitting at the top, and then I can access that item again. Some useful content to add into your library might be some page backgrounds. I'm going to search paper background and see what comes up. You'll see there's a folder called Backgrounds and Themes, and in here there are various paper backgrounds that we can use. The grid large one I find really useful for teaching numeracy. And if we keep scrolling, you'll see there's a handwriting background and also a lined paper one. Again, any of these that you might want to use, you can click the drop down and add to your content so that you can find them easily next time. Let's explore some other content in the gallery. In the Ready-Made Resources folder, you'll see there are 3 different categories. If we click onto Manipulatives, we can scroll through the various notebook files and pages. If we want to use one of them or to see what it does, simply click on and drag across onto your page. You can see here this Making Words resource. I can drag up letter tiles and arrange them to make different words. Again, if this is something that I would like to use again, I can click on the drop down and add to my content. Sometimes you might have an image that you want to use that isn't located in the Smart Notebook gallery. Wherever this file is saved, and in this case it's on my desktop, I can just drag that file in and I can resize, use the menu and use as I would do any of the other content in Smart Notebook. This might be an image that I use quite often, and it would be quite handy if it was saved within the gallery. So what I can do is I can drag that file across, and you can see that my content folder is highlighted blue. And if I just click off there, what's happened now is if I scroll through, that image has been added into my content library. So that means that whenever I open up my Smart Notebook, I can access that image from my content folder in my gallery. There's a range of items in the Smart Notebook gallery. Have an explore and let us know what you're adding to the My Content folder.
Thank you for watching.